Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Trisha Nicole and this is my closet. So y'all, today I'm wearing my two-piece set. It's a jogger set from Fashion Nova. It has wide leg pants and I love it. Real comfortable, real cute. The shirt is a crop green tee and it came from Fashion Nova as well. I have on my Tasman slides, silver accessories. Today I'm going to put on my bluey shades. I'm going to carry Sasha. And yeah, that's the outfit of the day. The scent of the day is Amberry Vanilla by Dossier. I got this like a couple of weeks for my birthday and I love it. It smells so fresh. It gives a fresh scent, right? Let me tell you the notes in it. Okay, so we got the top notes are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice. The middle notes are jasmine and orange blossom. And then the base note, you got cedarwood, vanilla, and coffee. And this right here, y'all, I'm telling y'all, Amberry Vanilla, the scent of the day. Y'all know I've been on a $70 a week budget, and I'm running out of some stuff. Y'all, I got a list. So my list today is, hold on, hold up. It won't do fast. Okay. My list today is I need some more lip gloss. I need the vanilla cream pie, rose lip butter. I need that. I need some sanitizer for the room. I need some makeup wipes, some more lip gloss, because y'all know I wear lip gloss. I love my lip gloss. I need concealer to cover my scar, and I also need some setting spray. So we're going to head out to Ulta, and if you know, you know, $70 in Ulta does not stretch far. So we're going to try to get in here and get us some decent product for a decent price. All right? So let me get myself ready. I think I'm going to wear my hair down. Wear my hair down. I'll put my little hat on. I'm going to pack up Sasha. We got our glasses in here already and our wallet. We just need to put the phone in here. Put our shades in here. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll see y'all in the car. So y'all, can y'all see me? So y'all, okay, we're gonna head up to the Ulta. We're gonna go to the one near my house. But before I leave, I'm going to see who live because I wanna like kind of listen and drive, you know? So let's see who live. Where's my phone? Let's see who live. My girl is live. My girl is live. Let me see. Can't hear her though. What's up?
Back to you directly because I'm trying to do my show. You feel me? Like just point blank, period.
Tell her,
literally,
hey.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's kind of how it literally just popped in my head, and I wanted to speak on it because I'm like, hold
listening
on,
and driving.
This thing I almost forgot that I wanted to speak on, child. You feel me? So that's the reason why I'm speaking on it now.
She knows she be talking up a storm.
Like
child.
I said, I ain't got a problem with him. I just didn't respect what he did. I did. So if I see you later,
she mad.
If you, cause you know some people be real funny with certain stuff.
I don't know,
you know
what
I'm saying?
Mad.
They
what
like be in their feelings, and all of a sudden they just never want to speak to you again. You don't have to ever speak to me again if you feel that within yourself.
Oh, she mad.
I, like I said, don't have a problem with it. But some people, they are like that. You feel me? Some people, Trisha in here. What's up, Trisha?
Hey, boo. But what she mad about?
What's up, Trisha?
But y'all, yeah. So that's what we doing. Listening and driving, and I'm headed to Ulta. I'll see y'all at Ulta.
Welcome to the team, honey. Make sure you like. Make sure.
Welcome to my world. It's Trishi. follow trends, I define my pace. Closet full of confidence, every step grace. Not too hood, not too bougie, I'm the in-between. Quiet when I walk and still they know.
They got this one, but I want vanilla cream pie. This is the one I want. But I wonder what this one look like. I'm gonna get them both. I'm gonna get them both, so we can test them out. They're not too far apart, but yeah, we're gonna get both of them. Yeah, so, alright.
Looking real good on me. I'm in my own lane, yeah, I wear what I want. Confidence on 10, I ain't doing it for front. Middle of the spectrum, still I stand out loud. It's my space, my vibe. Welcome to the crowd. I'm in my own lane, let the real one stay. Every look, every move, yeah, I do it my way. This ain't just fashion, it's a state of mind. Welcome to my channel, yeah, it's Trisha time. Yeah, you know the routine. Real life, real fits, real everything. From the mirror to the camera, I'm the same me. What you see on the screen is what you get from me. No rules, no limits, I remix the code. Turn basics to statements, make the sidewalk a show. It ain't about the price tag, it's how you feel inside. If you feel it when you wear it, then you did it right.
So y'all, I'm back, and it's a pretty heavy bag, y'all. So what y'all think? Did I stay on budget? Do you think I stayed on budget? Put it down in the comments if you think I stayed on budget, or if you didn't think I stayed on budget. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go to the list. So I needed, let me see, I needed a lip butter, sanitizer, makeup wipes, some more lip gloss. I wanted to get like a what was it, Fenty glass lipper, and concealer to hide my scar, and I also needed some setting spray. Get my glasses on. All right. Here's the receipt. Here's the receipt. So y'all know it is my Ulta receipts. Ulta. All right. So the first thing we're gonna start with I got the makeup wipes. Makeup wipes. My Neutrogena. They were $7.99. They were $7.99. All right. And then I got something that wasn't on the list. Shampoo for the brushes. I need to clean my brushes. So yeah, I had to clean my brushes, so that's what I got. And this was $7.50. $7.50. And I was looking at prices today, y'all. They had one that was $10 and one that was like $8. $7.50. I looked at prices. And with the wipes, they had some that I really wanted them, but they were $10 and these were $7.99. So yeah. And instead of the spray, I ended up getting the glue because I already had some spray here. I remembered I had some spray, so I just went ahead and got the glue. But I did have a spray in my hand, but I put it back because I was trying not to go over. Right, so the glue was $9. Right, and I also, y'all saw me talking about the butter gloss, and I got both of them. Yeah, this is the one I always use, the vanilla cream pie, and then this is a different one. This one is fortune cookie. So this is fortune cookie, and this is vanilla cream pie. We're gonna try this one out later. So yeah, I had to have two of them. I also had another gloss, but I put it back because I was trying to stay on budget, y'all. I was trying to stay on budget. And I also grabbed me some concealer to hide my scar. So I usually use this this NARS. It was $34. I think I Should have probably got the smaller one. It was $16, but this one was $34. And then I usually use like Fenty together. So, but yeah. So, this one is, what color is this one? Caramel. I think I was supposed to get something else. Oh my God, I was supposed to get chestnut. Let's see how close it is to it. I guess. Ain't that far off, right? Is it? Well, it is what it is. So the grand total, y'all, with the tax is $75.08. So yeah, but I really don't consider this an epic fail. I don't consider it an epic fail only because I put stuff back. I put the spray back. I put some lip gloss back. I put sanitizer. I put that back. So yeah. And I didn't get the stuff that I wanted for real, for real. I got the bang for my buck. So yeah. And that's me, y'all. Balling on a budget. Thank y'all for viewing. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hype this video up. Hype it up. Yeah. And until next time. Deuces.
Trish's Closet, are you locked in?